In this video, I will tell you how to create a ClickBank affiliate account. So first what you need to do is go to clickbank.com and click sign up or start here in the top right corner. On the sign up page, enter your country, first name, last name, phone number, email address and create a strong password that matches their password rules. After that, accept the terms and conditions, then click create account or join ClickBank. Once you do that, check your email in case they send you a verification link. Open it if needed, then sign in to your new ClickBank dashboard. Next, you need to complete your client profile. Inside the dashboard, click Profile or tap the Complete My Profile button. Now fill in the required details like your full address, time zone, preferred language, contact information, and payee name, which is the name of the person who will receive payments. When everything is filled out, save your profile. Make sure the information is correct because this helps prevent payout or compliance problems later. After that, go to the Accounts tab and click Create an Account. For the account type, choose Affiliate since this is the option used to promote products. Then enter a short account nickname because this nickname will appear in your affiliate links. Submit the form to create your affiliate account. Once it is created, you can open the marketplace, make affiliate links and start promoting offers. Finally, check the country and tax requirements. ClickBank supports more than 150 countries, but some countries are restricted. If your country is not listed during sign up, then you will not be able to open an account from there. Also, for United States users, ClickBank may ask for an SSN or EIN and a W-9 form. For non-United States users, a W-8 BAN form may be required before you can receive payouts. That's how you create a ClickBank affiliate account. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.